Welcome. If you're looking to boost your privacy on Telegram, setting up auto lock is one of the smartest things you can do. In this quick guide, I'll show you exactly how to set Telegram to automatically lock itself after 5 hours, so your chats stay safe even if you forget to close the app. Let's get started. First, open the Telegram app on your phone. Make sure you're on the main screen where you can see your chats. Next, tap the menu icon in the top corner. This is the 3 horizontal lines, often called the hamburger menu. Once you tap it, a side panel will slide open. From here, tap on Settings. This is where all your account and privacy options are located. Now, scroll a bit until you find Passcode Lock, then tap on it. If you already have a passcode set up, you'll need to enter it to continue. If not, you'll be prompted to create one before accessing these settings. Once you're inside the Passcode Lock section, look for the option called Auto Lock and tap on it. This is where you control how long Telegram stays open before it locks automatically. You'll see several time options available. Simply select 5 hours from the list. As soon as you choose it, the setting is applied instantly. And that's it. From now on, Telegram will automatically lock itself after 5 hours of inactivity, helping you keep your messages secure without needing to think about it. This is especially useful if you sometimes leave your phone unlocked or share your device with others. A small setting like this can make a big difference in protecting your privacy. Give it a try right now and keep your Telegram account safe and secure.